is a rich repository of natural resources for mankind. Yoowon Industries Limited is reaching out to the sea with its spirit of creativity and challenge. As the leader of the 21st century shipbuilding materials industry, Yoowon is challenging the global market with its advanced technologies and top-notch quality. Founded in February 1977 as a hydraulic steering gear and hydraulics machineries manufacturer, Yoowon was designated as a qualified company by the Korean Ministry of National Defense in 1983, being indebted to the endless passion of its employees. Since entering into a technical license agreement with Hyde Marine Incorporated of the United States in 1985 for manufacturing IAC naval steering gears and deck equipment, Yoowon has supplied parts for numerous vessels for the Korean Navy and Coast Guard, and has also exported its products overseas. Yoowon became the leader of Korea's shipbuilding equipment industry in 1993 based on its continuous growth efforts, and entered into a technical license agreement with Mitsubishi Heavy Industries Limited for the production of large electric hydraulic steering gears. In 1994, Yoowon began manufacturing automatic backwash oil filters for diesel engines and turbines. In 2001, it began production of the world's first large steering gears with maximum torque of 1,021 ton-meter. 4 ship sets of steering gear were shipped in the same year after being presented to ship owners and shipbuilding companies. Following the development of ultra-large steering gears, Yoowon captured the industrial spotlight by developing Korea's first rotary vane steering gears for small and medium-sized ships using its own technology. In 2003, Yoowon steering gears were designated as a world-class product by the Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Energy. Yoowon was awarded this honor again in 2010 for its auto filters. In 2005, Yoowon began its global management with a new vision. Starting with the Bronze Tower Award in 2002, Yoowon was awarded the Tin Tower Industrial Merit in 2003, followed by a $30 million export tower in 2008, and a $50 million export tower in 2009. In 2010, Yoowon completed its third manufacturing plant to meet its customers' needs and to achieve its vision for the future. Today, Yoowon is ready to make technological advancements with dedicated craftsmanship in collaboration with its business partners in an effort to manufacture world-leading products. As it leads the development of new technologies and manufactures the highest quality products for customer satisfaction. Under a firm belief that the efficient management of our environment is the key to greater competitive strength and the improvement of our quality of life, Yoowon is making dedicated efforts to be an eco-friendly company. Yoowon values principles, adheres to the fundamentals, and always leads changes with its creativity and spirit of challenge. Yoowon Industries is growing into a global leader of the shipbuilding equipment industry with its advanced technologies, and will rise to greater heights as a company that drives Korea's key industries. Based on the technology and engineering experience accumulated over its 30-year history, Yoowon has been supplying high-quality steering gears, filters, and various deck equipment to Korea's major shipyards, including Hyundai Heavy Industries, Daewoo Shipbuilding and Maritime Engineering, Samsung Heavy Industries, Hyundai Samho Heavy Industries, and Hanjin Heavy Industries, as well as Korea's small shipyards and rapidly growing overseas markets such as China. Since developing steering gears and deck equipment for Korean Navy and Coast Guard vessels in 1997, Yoowon has been continuing its efforts to develop world-leading technologies. Since entering into a technical license agreement with Mitsubishi Heavy Industries for the production of wraps and slide steering gears in 1993, it has been supplying its products for container carriers, oil tankers, bulk carriers, LNG carriers, and other vessels built in major shipyards in Korea and overseas. Yoowon was successful in maintaining the cleanliness of hydraulic oil in LNG carrier steering gears under NOS Grade 7 in an assembled state using an eco-friendly, semi-permanent system. In 2007 alone, it supplied steering gears for 260,000 CBM LNG carriers. The wraps and slide steering gears utilize Mitsubishi's variable volume displacement MK pump, which is controlled by a torque motor linked to the servo controller, and oilless bearings for the ram pin bush so that no lubrication is necessary. It is equipped with a double hydraulic system with torque motor fail warning function against hydraulic locking, and an additional 3 to 4 hydraulic pumps are installed to be switchable into double output mode. The steering gears are manufactured to meet the specifications of every major classification society. Each product is tested in the shop in the presence of inspectors from major classification societies and ship owners, and only the approved products are delivered. Yoowon sales have grown steadily since the company made and entered into its first technical license agreement with MHI in 1993, and the total number of delivered products has exceeded 1,000 ship sets. By setting the record for the highest steering gear sales in 2009, Yoowon has proved itself as one of the world-leading steering gear manufacturers. Based on the technology acquired from developing piston type and wraps and slide steering gears, in 2002, Yoowon developed rotary vane steering gears using its own technologies. Yoowon rotary vane steering gears are preferred by small and medium-sized shipyards, and they received outstanding evaluations from ship owners and classification societies around the world. The delivery of rotary vane steering gears to Korean shipyards began in 2006. Today, Yoowon has a record of delivery of hundreds of units to numerous shipyards in Korea and overseas. Yoowon began production of automatic backwash oil filters and general multi-purpose filters in 1984 to filter fuel and lubrication oil for the engine and turbine. Ranging from shipyards in Korea and overseas to onshore power plants, Yoowon is supplying high-quality semi-permanent filters to be used by engine makers and nuclear power plants. These filters can be produced to have a filtration efficiency up to 10 microns while maintaining a greater durability compared to gauze wire elements. The filters also have controls with timer settings for automatic backwashing and utilize a system that automatically cleans impurities such as sludge on the element surface using the hydraulic pressure difference within the filter. This means that filters can have semi-permanent lifespans with regular maintenance. The filters separate water and solid impurities in oil, diesel, gasoline, liquid natural gas, and jet fuel. Yoowon filters are supplied to oil refineries, oil tanks, machinery loading equipment, and jet fueling facilities in airports and Air Force bases. Yoowon also signed a filter supply contract for Samsung Heavy Industries' ballast system in 2010. As shipbuilding technology develops, Yoowon is working to improve ease of repair, user convenience, and economic efficiency of various equipments such as windlasses, mooring winches, capstans, towing winches, and special winches. And it is continuing its R&D to develop outstanding products such as offshore cranes, floating docks, and winches for nets and booms. Every Yoowon product is manufactured to meet specifications of every ship classification society, including ABS, DNV, LR, GL, BV, NK, CCS, and KR, plus other international regulations. Yoowon has outstanding engineers with abundant experience, ultra-high precision machinery, and advanced equipment. Yoowon is able to produce high-quality products and infinite development capabilities. Furthermore, Yoowon is developing the control units required for its products by using its own technologies, which is why Yoowon is recognized as a supplier of high-quality products built by using advanced technologies. Yoowon has acquired ISO 9001 and 14001 certificates from ABS, and it is operating a worldwide network of 20 offices in 16 countries to provide convenient after-sales service and information regarding all its products. A company that creates a harmony of safety and growth. Yoowon Industries Limited. To earn its customers' trust by putting customer satisfaction first in the time of infinite competition, Yoowon will focus its efforts to become a true elite company of the 21st century. A company that stands by the world. Yoowon Industries Limited. With pride in being the leading supplier of shipbuilding equipment, Yoowon will continue its dedication to support the shipbuilding industry of the world. Thank you.